Evergreen, Candid. New trends in GK 5. Colourful Birds.
Hello, Uncle Sam. What are you doing?
Hey Shreya, I'm watching birds.
But why so? What is the fun is bird watching?
Bird watching is a hobby of mine because birds are the most beautiful and wonderful creatures on this earth. By watching them, I feel much delighted to praise these magnificent birds.
We love to be a bird watcher.
Oh, that's great. Come, I will let you know about some of these. Blue jay. Blue jay is predominantly a blue bird with a white chest and underpants and a blue crest. Condor. Condor is the largest flying land bird in the Western Hemisphere. Magpie. Magpie is one of the few animal species known to be able to recognize itself in a mirror test. Pelican. Pelican is a large water bird with a long beak and a large throat pouch used in catching prey. Gull. Gull is a long-winged, web-footed seabird with a raucous call, typically having white plumage. Kookaburra. Kookaburra is a bird best known for its call which sounds like a loud, echoing human laughter. Identify the plant and click on its name. This is correct. No, it's not correct.